Once you've decided to use a bypass oil filtration system, an important choice to make is between a machine working continuously 24/7 or intermittently once in a certain time, used for multiple tanks turn by turn. The decision certainly is governed by the cost of installation and hence the filtration cost per liter per year. This video explains how to find the best possible combination for your plant. To begin with, let's understand why a continuous bypass filtration is ideal technically. Imagine that a tank gets cleaned once in 3 months. At the end of the cleaning cycle, the NAS may be brought down to the required level, say NAS 4 or 6. However, by the time the tank gets connected with a machine for cleaning again, the NAS has increased to say NAS 10 or 11 and then is reduced in a short time to NAS 6 again. The average NAS seen by the tank would be around NAS 9 and not NAS 4 or 6 as desired. On the contrary, when the tank is connected with a machine permanently, running 24/7, the NAS is maintained continuously at the required level of 6. Remember that it's only the average NAS level that is going to give us the expected results. There are some other issues with using machines intermittently. Firstly, you're probably using a machine not exactly suited for the tank in most cases. Making an efficient time usage plan covering all the tanks and then actually executing it proves to be extremely difficult. And this is quite natural, as oil filtration is not your primary business. Even for maintenance staff, the priority is maintaining the production equipment and not oil filtration. The entire endeavor proves to be quite labor-intensive, and you quickly realize that the labor also needs a high level of motivation to meticulously stick to the plan. Finally, and most importantly, you end up limiting the oil purification exercise to only tanks linked with critical equipment, and then too, only above a certain minimum capacity. For smaller tanks, you'd rather just change the oil whenever necessary. While we realize that using a dedicated machine for every tank is the right technical solution, the major hindrance is finding the right suitable machine for each of your tanks, and at a reasonable cost of filtration per liter per year. Watts Fluent machines are available in the widest range, and this range is further widened by combining it with the right G2D high-efficiency filter. You now have the possibility of finding the best possible overall solution for your plant and aim at the highest plant productivity. To know more about the impact of oil and its quality on the productivity of your plant, and for answers to all your oil filtration related queries, please get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.